Okay guys, Running Kimono here. So today's video kind of a little different one. A lot of you since the weekend have been asking for help or for my opinion on this, and I went through Ibotta specifically for Walgreens shoppers and some of the changes they have been just kind of like inching in, and how some of us are not getting rebates back and how this will affect Walgreens couponing. So just to show you some emphasis on the word some rebates have this verbiage: this offer can't be combined with coupons for the same product, period. Pay attention to that sentence, and if you see it, realize you cannot use a manufacturer coupon with this offer or it will be rejected. They have some sort of software that's pretty high tech that they can see if a coupon lines up with it. But that being said, how our register reward is going to be affected, we're going to talk about that also. So guys, what I'm going to say is that Walmart, about a year they've had this, especially with P&G products. But the P&G inserts hasn't been in circulation since last February, so like a lot of us can't get our hands on those coupons either. So it doesn't really make much of a difference. It used to be much bigger savings when you can combine a manufacturer and certain products, but not the case anymore. But at Walmart, it was most of their products. I think it was last fall, but then they have since allowed certain products or certain manufacturers you are able to use a coupon with. But with that, it is kind of one of these things to say you're just really going to have to pay attention to what the rebate is, and give it a little quick read so you're not wasting your time. And I will do the same, but we just have to be kind of like on top of this. This offer can't be combined with coupons of the same product. What is a coupon of the same product? Let's just walk down that avenue. I would say, and this is coming from me, I don't work for Ibotta, so this is a same product, you know, dissertation on behalf of myself. I would say insert coupons, tearpad coupons, peelies, top left-hand corner. Below that, bottom left-hand corner, a digital manufacturer coupon. Top right-hand corner, internet printables from coupons.com or from the website of the manufacturer, or possibly even like a Facebook coupon found for the product on Facebook, or I'm using Facebook as an example, Instagram as well. Or the bottom left hand or right hand corner, which is the IVC coupon, which is a store coupon. IVCs typically on receipts over at Walgreens appear right below the product that you're buying. So if you were going to photograph your receipt, boom, there it would be. So from my knowledge, I would say that's what they're trying to mitigate, like at Walmart, the same thing. Okay, guys, so I wrote down this little list. I think we really have to, moving forward, have to read the offer. So take a second and look at the fine print, and I will do the same. So I'm not just like, couponing an autopilot, but really read the verbiage of what expressively how they want this, can you use a coupon with it, yes or no. You really have to have a little bit of patience with this. I know this is a lot being thrown at us. But we're going to have to just figure out a way to navigate around it. The analogy of being a palm tree, to sway one way or the other, how windy it might get. We'll figure this out together. It's not also 100% of the rebates that have this restriction. So, like, for example, that CoverGirl, still able to use coupons with it if I might have any, digital, paper, whatever. So it's not 100%. It's just certain products. I think the manufacturer don't want you to stack a coupon with the rebate. And often mistakes do happen, and I certainly make a lot of mistakes. I make videos 7 days a week, so I will make a mistake here or there. And I'm just going to ask you guys to be patient with me during this learning curve. We have to follow the rules, yes, but sometimes Ibotta can be tricky where they post a rebate and 6 hours later it's gone. Look at the body wash the last couple of weeks. So we just have to be very, very patient and read, read, read. Can't emphasize that enough, and be reasonable about this. Now, here's an example of what I've been doing over at Walmart. If I find some really nice clearance, such as this fabric spray for $2, I found this about a week and a half ago. Sometimes I'll put my little Walmart finds as YouTube shorts. I don't make dedicated videos for Walmart clearance. I'm more of a pharmacy shopper, but most of you know that. So the rebate for this is very strict, where you can't use a coupon with that. So I just found that for $2. I paid the $2 out of pocket and then got $2.30 back. So a little deal for me. And a lot of Walmarts have entire end caps with clearance for cleaner, makeup, whatever. If you just went there, parked yourself, and opened up the Ibotta app and scanned a bunch of barcodes, you might be surprised what you can find for deals, especially with weekend warriors, that sort of stuff. I really do love Ibotta. It is my favorite of all the apps. So as stated, guys, not all rebates have that, you can't use coupons with. This is one for CoverGirl, and do you see that anywhere near this? No. So if I had paper insert coupons, peelies, or internet printables, I could use that. I can combine this with the coupons.com. I can do whatever I want. But, you just have to really pay attention and read, read, read. It's not 100% as of yet, so there are still some deals to be had and found. Now, this is where it kind of takes a weird curveball over at Walgreens. The manufacturer register reward and the store coupon. Well, these are not coupons for, a sum off of CoverGirl. How would they know? They're going to have to make some sort of special concession for that, or put something in their software to figure out, oh, that's a register reward in the mix, because, it's not for that product. It's just off of a basket. So that's going to be kind of interesting. The coupons are typically itemized at the very bottom. It's not right below the product. So we'll just have to wait and see how this one shakes out. But I would definitely photograph your register rewards in case there's an issue or a problem with Ibotta, that they're like, oh, you used a coupon, we're not giving this to you. And then you can explain register rewards with one of their customer service reps. Now, before I take off, I just want to tell you a quick little story. I was in Rite Aid yesterday and I bought a couple of items, and my digital coupon did not attach for the Crest Pro Health toothpaste I bought, because I had like a 10 back when you spend 50, and I scanned that toothpaste first. So I think the line, it got attached to that. And then my toothpaste, I didn't have a digital coupon for that either. So this is just an example. I had a $50 basket, and 5 of my items, either coupons did not attach, or, there was nothing for me. But still, with Ibotta, I was able to get $8 back. So this rebate is not dead in the water. It's probably, of all of the rebates, the best one out there, my favorite to use. And the staff are very, very reasonable as well. They've always treated me very well, and above and beyond, they have the most amount of rebates, especially if you're a Walgreens shopper. That's why a lot of us really lean on that app. So this isn't the end. We just have to practice a bit of patience and just go with the flow and just be a palm tree with this one. As always, thanks for watching, and in the comments, let me know what you think about this. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.